Now you have two choices. You can be an Agent Smith or you can be a Neo from the Matrix. Now, an Agent Smith, let me explain. An Agent Smith would be satisfied with making his $6,261 just from using Higgsfield.AI and Seedance to go viral on YouTube. But a Neo would know better. A Neo would dream bigger and think bigger and make bigger plans, like building a business around Higgsfield and Seedance like no one else is. So this is a 3-part series. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to build a business using Higgsfield.AI and Seedance. Nobody else is teaching this. So this video is going to release around 6 p.m. today. And then the other part 2 is going to release at 10 a.m. in the morning. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you set your alarm. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build an AI local business cinematic ads marketplace. I know that pause is a mouthful for some of you guys, but this is what we're going to build: an automated ad factory for thousands of businesses. Now, if you need an explanation or an example for this so that you can kind of visualize how you'll be making money, one that's well known that you might know of right now is called Pixabay. This is what we're going to use Higgsfield AI and Seedance for. I was just about to say like, hey, Jen, but so for example, let's type in dental clinic right here. And look what happens. All of these videos pop up. I'm going to show you how to monetize it, how you can clone these videos using Higgsfield, and you can monetize these videos and make way more money than the average bear on YouTube with just, short AI series and stuff like that everybody else is making right now. You can actually license these videos out to businesses. Let me show you the business model. Okay. So this idea is completely underused. This is how it works. You use Higgsfield to generate ultra cinematic micro ads, about 10 to 20 seconds for industries. Now, we already know they're expensive with the credits on Higgsfield. So you want to be strategic and you want to go after high demand industries. For example, roofing. Roofers, they would love like one of those time-lapse videos that people were doing with the epoxy floors and stuff that were going viral and stuff. You can do that with roofing. You can do it for plumbers. You can do it for med spas. You can do it for realtors. You can do it for dentists, and just have it to where you have this collection of videos that they can use for their ads, their Facebook ads, TikTok ads, YouTube ads and stuff to generate clients and customers, or they can use them on their websites and stuff as background videos. All right. So that their sites can look professional. So here's an example prompt. And if you guys want the prompt, you can just comment prompt and I'll give it to you guys for free. All right. So epic cinematic drone shot of a luxury house roof being repaired. So that's an example of a prompt that you could give Higgsfield. Golden sunset lighting, dramatic before and after reveal, text overlay, protect your home today because, it's about to be storm season in a couple places and everything, and they might want to start doing roofing inspections for their companies and stuff, right? So look at this. We got number 2. Upload thousands of these videos to a searchable website. So for example, you want to use something like Lovable. You can create a platform, the same platform. You can literally just paste the link to this platform into Lovable or ask ChatGPT to give me the code that was used to build a platform like Pixabay that will allow me to upload hundreds or thousands of stock footage videos and everything that I can then license out. And Lovable will ChatGPT will give you the prompt to give to Lovable. And you shouldn't spend no more than 30 credits building the site. Okay. It doesn't have to be like super luxurious or anything like that. It can be looking like a template. It doesn't matter. Okay. So these are the niches that you want to specifically focus on right now. Now check this out. Each video is licensed for $19 to $49. $19 to $49. Small business owners buy and download them instantly. So what are you going to rank for? You want to rank for spa ads. You want to rank for real estate ads. You want to rank for dentist ads. You want to rank for roofing ads. You can also run ads targeting these niches and everything as well, and show them what you have to attract them. And they will download and use them for their advertisements because they don't feel like having to record or hire a videographer every time they want to do an ad, right? So this is going to become passive, and this is why it becomes passive. Okay, let me show you. One video can sell thousands of times. For example, all right, I'm pretty sure this video right here has been downloaded a whole bunch of times. Okay, look, $60 for this video. Look at it. $9.90 for this video. Any 10 images, videos, or music tracks, $99 a month, right? I wish they would show you like how many people downloaded it. Look, it says upload date. Oh my God. And it's still on here. 2023 has been uploaded since then. Okay. And then people are uploading all of these. A lot of people are making a crap load of money. Even if you didn't want to build your own platform, you can like upload stock footage videos to platforms like Pixabay and their competitors and everything like that. And you can still make money in those niches, guys. But that's exactly what you want to freaking do. Businesses constantly need ads, especially in these niches right here. Real estate agents, they're promoting their listings. Dentists, they're promoting their services. Roofers, they're trying to get people for inspections. Spa companies, they're trying to entice people to come in, and they don't always want to hire a videographer. So guys, this is why you want to do it. Look, no custom work required, because you can just simply keep telling Higgsfield, you'll upload a reference video, the one that it already created before, and you just tell Higgsfield, hey, make another one just like this. Just change the location and change the color backgrounds and put a new logo or something like that. Boom. And that's the scale strategy. This is the scale strategy. Look, create 10,000 ad templates, and even if 0.5% sell monthly, look at this. Watch this. That's 10,000 videos, 50 monthly buyers, $39 each. That is $19.50 per month passive, guys. I just handed you a free business model that you can use Higgsfield.AI and Seedance to create starting today. Even if you got the smaller tier of Higgsfield, you can start doing this. And the smaller tier, I think, is around like $15. Let me see. I'm trying to see the pricing section. Here we go. The pricing section that says 30% off. And I am not sponsored by Higgsfield. Okay. Right. So they got the $15 per month plan right there. You can use that one, or let's make that monthly. Yeah, $15 per month. And then they got the $49 plan. They got the ultra plan. If you're really trying to go hard, you can at least get the ultra plan or the business plan. That way you can create enough of the templates for you to be able to upload to platforms like Pixabay or your own platform that you decide that you want to do. All right. So this is iStockPhoto.com as well. So it's a couple of platforms you can do this with. And this is passive income. You just saw the numbers. Make 10,000 videos. That sounds like a lot, but it's not, because these videos are going to be 10 to 20 seconds. And you can have an AI agent make it, or you can have a virtual assistant make it, and you can make a lot of money. So make sure you guys are back here at 10 a.m. in the morning for part 2.